PPI could be coming back, folks. Remember that? Payment Protection Insurance, that massive banking scandal, the con they pulled, supposedly there to insure your own repayments in case you ever lost your job. That turned out to be nothing of the sort. Didn't protect you at all. Banks had to set aside millions and millions as the compensation claims came in. You all remember the ads. You couldn't move for them once upon a time. A huge scandal. But should government plans move forward, the next version could be far worse. You see, they want to help more people get on the housing ladder. But in these uncertain financial times, unless you have a whopping great deposit, which if you're renting, you've got fat chance of saving up for, you get hit with some very unfriendly interest rates. So to convince the banks to be a little bit friendlier, the government have mooted that anyone borrowing a large percentage of the value of their home from the bank also be required to take out repayment insurance to protect the bank doing the lending, resulting in them offering a better deal. A mortgage insurance. What could possibly go wrong? Well, this is PPI. This is PPI for mortgages. And the potential for it to be so much worse than the original PPI scandal is pretty obvious. It's not bad enough you get lumbered with a debt you can't pay that you thought you were insured from, but you can lose your home over this one too. It does nothing to address the housing situation either. Second homeowners in a time of housing crisis should be discouraged from owning them, freeing more property up and bringing an overheated housing market down. There's too much emphasis on keeping house prices artificially inflated to please those lucky enough to own one, two, even more, beyond the housing ladder. But it prevents anyone else getting there, getting out of the rent trap that so many people find themselves in. And the biggest elephant in the room is we simply need to build more homes. Not everyone wants to or even is able to own their own home due to their personal circumstances. And that choice should always be there. Housing is a necessity, a basic, yet for too long, it's been something people had to aspire to, had to wait years for. It's become an investment. And because demand is far too high and supply is far too low and incomes have fallen way, way behind, just build more homes.